I dated a Haitian nigga though for not dated. I don't know what I was doing with this nigga, but that was way later on. I didn't even fuck this nigga. Like we just talk, just conversation, just conversation. Yo, Haitian niggas. One thing I could tell you about Haitian niggas, they could talk. They could talk, bro. They would really make you fall in love with them, cause they could really talk. They would, they would sell your whole dream. Haitian niggas, that's all they're good for. They could talk. Their mouth is so sweet. They're so sweet under the tongue. You talk to a beginning. What? You talk to a Haitian nigga in the beginning, best nigga alive. The nigga gonna give you everything. They're gonna make you. They're gonna make you feel like a woman. They're gonna talk to you every day. They're gonna make you feel like they're connected to you. That's Haitian. That's all Haitian niggas. I'm telling you about Haitian niggas. The beginning is all beautiful, but then when you make a Haitian nigga hate you, once a Haitian nigga hate you, bro, he's